And now we're gonna mix it. Mix it. See how we turn it a little bit. As you can see, it's clumping up. Clumping up. It's clumping up. And see here? It's making a slime. See that? It's not actually turning on. Let me know in the comments what I should do, what else slime I should do without glue, if it works or not. Let me know in the comments. Okay. I'm gonna stir it again. You can see it's coming on. Yep. I'm not. My grandpa told me to make this. Julissa. I'm gonna actually, it's like, I'm gonna have to give this a fail. And I'm gonna just keep mixing it. If you wanna make it like a color, just take the lid off. Okay. Let me know in the comments what else should I do without my glue.